Voilà.
Thank you a lot, Sing Sam. My name is Morfai. I have a PhD in social human sciences, and I am a member of the Higher Education Commission of the CCAK project. CCA project, that means Complex Sheikh Ahmadul Khadim. That is one of the great projects in Mudia nowadays. And I have the opportunity to take a part to this very important project from the Khalif General of Murid. What I can say is that that is a great pleasure, a great honor for me to take to participate to this activity, with this topic, teaching philosophy and school of the Mudia. That is an opportunity for me to present to you the CCARK project. What I can say is that the Sheikh Ahmadul Khadim Complex for Education and Training is a very important step to the teaching philosophy in School of Muridia, as Professor Faldungom said. It is a concentration all the efforts made by Serigne Touba Khadim Rasoul and his successors to build a very strong school to promote the Muridia way or the Muridia philosophy. Now I gonna give you the main lines of my expose. First, I will present to you the background and overview of the complex of Touba, of the Sheikh Ahmadul Khadim Complex for Education and Training. That is the first point I gonna discuss with you. Secondly, I gonna present to you the missions of the complex, and at last I will present to you the structure of the complex.
Professeur Mor?
Yes.
Vous allez brièvement passer sur ces points parce que le temps nous vient de compter, donc c'est très intéressant.
No problem. Concerning the background of this complex, what we can say is that Sheikh Ahmadul Khadim Complex of Touba is an education and training institution based on the educational vision and religious principle of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, servant of the Prophet Muhammad. Such vision, which consists of worshipping God through acquisition of useful knowledge, virtuous action, and adherence to moral values, underpins the foundation of the holy city of Touba with the aim of making it a hub of knowledge and guidance for believers from all backgrounds. In this regard, Sheikh Ahmadul Bamba, the founder of the holy city, made in his poem entitled Madlu Fawzaini the following prayer: "O Lord, make my home a place conducive to the pursuit of knowledge, meditation, and understanding. Make it a place of guidance, teaching, and righteousness." That's on this basis that the 8th Caliph General of Muridia Brotherhood, Sheikh Muhammad Muntaha, has given the top priority to strengthening the important role of education in Touba, so as to place the city among the most renewed Islamic cities in this domain, such as Medina, Basra, and Kufa. Therefore, he decided to prepare a comprehensive educational program based on the solid foundations of Islamic education and embracing all areas of knowledge essential to the temporal and spiritual life of mankind. This ambitious program is to implement one of the major projects of the Sheikhul Khadim, which is the establishment of a great scientific center in Touba, which we receive students from all over the world. In summary, that is the background of this important complex called Sheikh Ahmad Khadim Complex for Education and Training. As far as the mission of the complex are concerned, what we can say is that these missions are first, training, combining Islamic tradition, modernity, and openness. Second, scientific research for national, regional, and global development. And third mission, disseminating of the values of Islam and the message of progress and peace from Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. What about the structure of the complex? What we can say is that the complex is based on many structures. We have an administration and common service units. First. Second, we have a religious science unit. And third, we have the traditional religious studies units. And fourth, we have a higher education unit. That means the university. What we can say about administration unit is that this project is a very important one. Concerning administration, we want to build on the kind of administration we can see in other universities like Gaston Berger, like Cheikh Anta Diop, like other universities in Senegal. So we have to build a rectorate, we have to build a library, we have to build any other institutions that can help administration to work, to function. Concerning the religious aspect of this project, we have to build an Islamic institute, a Quran institute. And this Quran institute is to welcome youngsters from six years old, and they have to learn Quran and to miss the Quran before getting out this Quran institute. That is the first pedagogical institute we want to build on the complex of Touba. And another structure we want to build is the Majalis. The Majalis, everyone can understand what that means. The Majalis is a structure you can enter after you have missed all the Quran, that help you to understand deeply the principle of Islam, that can help you to understand deeply Sharia, that can help you to understand deeply the philosophy of Muridia, and so on. And about the higher education unit of the complex, that means the university, we have here 3 faculties. The first faculty is the Faculty of Islamic and Arabic Studies, with 2 departments. We have a Department of Islamic Studies and a Department of Arabic Language and Literature. And the second faculty is the Faculty for Professional Studies. This faculty offers courses in emerging professional needed by Senegal and Africa to support their economic and social development. And in this faculty, we have 5 departments. We have a Department of Crafts, we have a Department of Public Works and Engineering, we have a Department of Electromechanics, we have a Department of Information Technology and Communication, and we have a Department of Advanced Business Studies. And The third faculty is the Faculty of Agronomic Science and Food Technology. And this faculty aims at contributing to Senegal's agricultural modernization vis-a-vis to achieving food self-sufficiency. And in this faculty, we have 3 departments: the Department of Agronomy and Plant Production, the Department of Livestock Farming and Production, and the Department of Agri-Food Technology. And to summarize, in summary, what we have to say is that this complex is really another step, another very important step through what Falungom said, the philosophy and Mudia. That is a way to modernize all the tradition in teaching the philosophy, in teaching the way of life of Mudia, and it is a means to make Touba a hub for all those people who want to get knowledge from all over the world. And I thank you for your attention.
Merci, thank you, merci. Merci, professeur. Vous avez bien parlé des backgrounds du complexe, des missions des complexes et les composants. Vous avez parlé de l'Institut du Coran, le Majalis et l'enseignement supérieur avec ces 3 IFR et les départements de chaque IFR. Vous avez bien rappelé que ce projet a son ancrage